Hello beauties, you're welcome to GLOWRITE Beauty World and Skincare channel. If you are new to our channel, you are very much welcome. This channel is all about how to formulate effective skincare products that are 100% organic and chemical free. So right here on this channel, we share skincare tips and DIY recipes that will help you to achieve a youthful, radiant and even toned complexion. So beauties, in today's video I'll be sharing with you how to make a 5D luxury whitening scrub. It's a face and body scrub. The result on the skin is perfectly amazing, and this scrub is good for someone who has dull skin, dry skin, hyperpigmentation and blemishes. I'll be revealing to you the ingredients that I'll be using to formulate this effective whitening scrub. And before we start, please be so kind to support this channel by subscribing and joining this amazing, beautiful community where we share skincare tips that will help you to achieve an amazing skin. So you can like, you can share, and you can leave a comment below if you have any inquiry or if you need any clarification. I will be right here to reply you. I'll be very happy to reply you. So there is also an option where you can turn on the notification bell so that you'll be the first to be notified each time we upload new videos. So I don't want to waste much of your time, so come with me to the lab and I'll show you. Let's get started.
So moving on, this is rose bath salt. It comes in 3 kg. It contains rose extracts and sea salts. It promotes blood circulation, cleanses the skin and softens the skin too. So I'll be adding 2 Himalayan pink salt. Each container contains 800 grams of pink salt. It's a very good scrub that exfoliates, and also the exfoliants are quite strong. So I'll be adding 2 of it. So this is lemon spa salt. I'll be adding 2 of it. It promotes healthy skin, gives a smooth and soft skin. I'm using it because of the lemon in it. Lemon has antioxidant properties that help to reduce skin damage and premature aging. It also has a lot of benefits. I'll also be using papaya spa salt. Papaya contains antioxidants that help to moisturize, nourish the skin, and also slow aging processes. It helps to lighten the skin and also helps to get rid of blemishes, pigmentation, and I'll be adding 2 papaya spa salt. And here is the Asantee milk salt scrub that has fine-grained salt with natural extracts that helps your complexion to lighten, feel silky and smooth. I'll be using 1 Asantee spa salt scrub. So these are all the scrubs that I will be using, and I will be adding all of them into a clean bowl before adding the rest of the active ingredients that I will be using that will help to boost the effectiveness of the whitening scrub that I'm producing. I specifically selected these scrubs because of the ingredients and strong exfoliants. So watch me as I pour in all these scrubs before we can proceed. So always ensure that your hands and the equipment that you are using to produce is clean, and you must sanitize with 99% alcohol. This is very important to avoid bacteria from infesting your product. So I would like you to observe. I've already given a full details of the benefits of these scrubs. Right here I'm adding the rose salt bath. It's very good. I told you the beginning of this video, so I've added it. It's just one of it. So the next ingredient I'm adding here is the Himalayan pink salt scrub. The exfoliant is very strong. That's why I like this scrub. So I'll be adding 2 of this Himalayan pink salt into this bowl. And the next salt that I'll be adding is a lemon sparse salt. I'll be using 2 of this lemon sparse salt. I'll be adding them into the bowl. So this is papaya sparse salt. I've already told you the benefits of papaya in the skin. So all I'm doing right here is to pour in all these salts into the bowl and mix them together before I can now show you the other ingredients used in boosting the effectiveness of this whitening scrub. So right here is the papaya sparse salt and I'm using 2 of it. I'll also be adding the Asantee milk salt spa, that's the spa salt. So I'll be adding it into this bowl. So now I'm done adding the scrubs that I'll be using. So the next thing for me to do right here is to properly mix all these salt scrubs together, like mix it very well. Make sure that there is no lumps and make sure there is no particles in it. Particles that I mean that, you know, the rose petal scrub, it has some petals in it, so make sure you remove the petals if you see any. Then so I will now stir very well, mix them properly. And please, if you have watched this video to this particular point, I would like you to please go ahead and subscribe to our channel. It's a way of supporting this channel so that it will motivate us to make more videos for you. Try and click on the notification bell if you want to be the first to be updated when we release new videos. And also try and leave a comment below, like and share if you find our video helpful. So right here I'm done mixing properly all the scrubs. So the next thing to do now is to introduce the active ingredients to boost the effectiveness of this scrub. Let's go. So right here is the citric acid powder. Citric acid helps to exfoliate the upper layer of dead skin cells to help to clean the pores. It also evens the skin and soften and also smoothen the skin. I'll be adding 100 grams of citric acid powder. Here is the malic acid powder. Malic acid is an alpha hydroxy acid which is a natural exfoliator. It's used to smoothen the wrinkles and fine lines. It helps to improve the skin texture, cleanse your pores, and improve the overall skin. I'll be adding 50 grams of malic acid powder. This is sandalwood powder. Sandalwood powder helps to cleanse and polish your skin. It helps the skin to stay hydrated. It makes the skin feel softer, smoother, and also it can help to brighten dull skin and treat acne and pimples. I'll be adding 100 grams of sandalwood powder. This is vitamin C powder. Vitamin C powder will help aid skin cell regeneration. It will lighten the skin and also help to clear blemishes and hyperpigmentation. I'll be adding 30 grams of vitamin C powder. Right here is the Halfcast powder. It's a whitening active powder that whitens your skin and leaves the skin with a perfect complexion and smoothness. I'll be adding 30 grams of Halfcast powder. After adding the powders, you will now mix properly by stirring all of them together. So after adding all the powders, you give it a good stir. Right here, I'll be adding glycolic acid. Glycolic acid helps to exfoliate the skin by being able to shed dead skin cells more quickly than it would on its own. Glycolic acid triggers your skin to make more collagen, and collagen is the protein that makes the skin firm, plump, and elastic. I'll be adding 100 ml of glycolic acid. I will also be adding 50 ml of whitening activator oil. This whitening oil will help to whiten the skin and boost the effectiveness of the product. I'll be adding 50 ml of carrot oil. Carrot oil contains powerful antioxidant and anti-aging properties. Carrot oil leaves your skin looking brighter, youthful, soft, and calm. This is papaya oil. Papaya has vitamins that promotes a healthy skin. Adding this papaya oil will help to exfoliate your skin, treat acne, and reduce hyperpigmentation. So I'll be adding 50 ml of papaya oil. Here I'll be adding 500 ml of GLOWRITE shower gel. This is a shower gel that contains AHA, that's alpha hydroxy acid, that will help to exfoliate and effectively whiten your skin complexion for fairer and more beautiful skin. So I'll be adding 500 ml of GLOWRITE shower gel. So after adding the GLOWRITE shower gel, the next thing I'll do is to properly give this scrub a good stir. Please note that as you are adding this shower gel into your scrub, note that you need to work with the batch size so that to determine the quantity of the shower gel that you'll be adding so that your scrub will not be too watery. So this is milk collagen shower gel. Is a whitening shower gel, and I'll be adding 1000 ml of milk collagen shower gel into this scrub. Then after, I will give it a very good stir so that all the ingredients will properly mix together. And finally, the 5D luxury whitening scrub is ready. This scrub is very effective. It's going to help to clear your blemishes, your black spots, hyperpigmentation. It's going to fade. It's going to even help to fade stretch marks, and also if you have dark knuckles, it will also help to lighten dark areas. So it's very effective and it whitens the skin. It will help to remove all the dead skin and leave your skin feeling very silky and very soft. So how you use this scrub is you use it 3 times a week. You wet your skin and rub in a circular motion, and once you are done, you rinse it off and take your bath. Leave it on your skin for like 10 minutes, then you can now rinse it off. It's very effective. So the scrubs are readily available and can be purchased through contacting us via our email or WhatsApp contact, and also Instagram direct messages. That's the way you can actually make a purchase. We also make in large batch for people who wants to repackage and sell in their own name, brand name. So thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and also leave a comment below. Thank you so much.